Hey guys, welcome back to hashincludeelectronics with another video. And in this video, we are going to learn how to use MLX90614 non-contact infrared temperature sensor with Arduino. We will check the distance of object using ultrasonic sensor if it's in range and then only read the temperature. We will detect temperature if it's high or low and emit different buzzer tones. We will see a demo with 16:2 LCD display as well. So let's get started and take a look into this sensor. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe button below and press bell icon to get latest updates. We will use MLX90614 non-contact infrared temperature sensor module. By detecting the infrared light emitted by an object, this sensor can read the temperature. This module has following pins. VIN is used to provide 5V to module circuit, GND is common ground pin, SCL is clock pin, SDA is data pin. These pins are used to read data from sensor using I2C communication. Let's take a look at how we can use this sensor. We will be using following components: Arduino Uno, MLX90614 sensor, ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, breadboard, 7 to 12V DC battery and few jumper wires. First we will see how to read the temperature using this module and print on serial monitor. For that, let's make a connection as per circuit diagram. Mount temperature sensor on breadboard. Now connect temperature sensor to Arduino Uno as per pins in the table. Do not connect other components at this point. Let's take a look at MLX90614 read code. First we need to install the Adafruit MLX90614 library. For that, go to Tools and Manage Library. Search for MLX90614 library and install it. Inside code, we need to include this library. Create object of Adafruit MLX90614 class as MLX. Inside setup function, begin serial communication with baud rate as 9600. Then begin temperature sensor communication. Inside loop function, read the temperature using read object temperature C function. Print this temperature value on serial monitor using println function. Add some delay. I have provided the code and diagram link in the description below. Now upload this code by connecting Arduino Uno to laptop. Go to Tools and select Arduino Uno board and port. Hit upload. Open serial monitor and select baud rate as 9600. You can see that the temperature is displayed on the screen. If I place my hand near sensor, then it detects the temperature and prints it. Now mount buzzer on breadboard and connect to Arduino. Connect ultrasonic sensor to Arduino as per circuit. Mount it on breadboard near temperature sensor. Let's take a look at code now. We need to include MLX90614 library and also new ping library. Define pin for buzzer. Then define cutoff temperature as 30 degree. You can change this temperature as needed. Create object for ultrasonic sensor. Create object of Adafruit MLX90614 class as MLX. Inside setup function, begin sensor communication. We have defined temperature high tone function which will sound the buzzer if temperature is above the cutoff value. We have defined temperature OK tone function which will sound the buzzer if temperature is low. Inside loop function, read the distance of object. If it's in range, then wait for 2 seconds and then read the temperature. If temperature is less than the cutoff temperature, then produce temperature OK tone. Else, if temperature is high, then produce temperature high tone. This code makes sure that you need to keep your hand near sensor for at least 2 seconds for temperature to be recorded. Upload this code into Arduino Uno now. Now remove Arduino from laptop and provide battery supply to Arduino through VIN and ground pin. Let's see how it works. I have set the cutoff temperature as 30 degrees Celsius. So my hand temperature is more than 30 degrees, hence it emits the high temperature tone. Mobile's temperature is less than 30 degrees, so it emits the low temperature tone. We need to place the object within 10 cm range for temperature to be detected. I have attached 16:2 LCD display with this setup to display the temperature. You can also check my video on how to use LCD display. I have provided the code and diagram link for this in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Stay safe and please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.